How to perform a withdrawal from Deriv in Nigeria. First, log into your Deriv account and ensure the funds are visible in your US dollar account, or transfer funds from your MT5 to US account if needed. For example, here now we have 500 USD in our Deriv USD account. So we'll go further to withdraw this. So first we access the menu and choose Cashier, then proceed to Payment Agent. So here we choose the withdrawal option and validate our email to authorize the withdrawal transaction. We search for cheapestdata.com in the provided box and review the options displayed. So we'll do that now. So cheapestdata.com. So we click on the arrow down, and so that it displays a modal where we will now be able to input an amount that we want to withdraw. We can withdraw as much as possible, but in multiples of 2,000 naira at once. You can withdraw lower than that, between 10 USD and 2,000 USD at a time. So it doesn't restrict you from withdrawing even if you have 1 million USD. Just make sure your account is verified and you'll be able to do that on Deriv. Okay, here we need to confirm that the recipient is cheapestdata.com and verify the amount we want to withdraw, and click this box that say I confirm that I have verified the payment agent transfer information. So transfer now, and the transfer is completed. Now it's time for us to now fill in our notification form on our website. That is, you go to cheapestdata.com and you look for our app and download our app on the website, which you will see here. Our Android app, or you go to movemonies.com. That is MOVEMONIES.com, and then fill out our withdrawal form. You can see. So once you fill out the withdrawal form on our website, the money will be sent to your bank account. So let's do that in a very short moment. We'll review the name, the phone number, amount withdrawn, the withdrawal medium, the date of transaction, the account to be credited, that is your bank account number, and you also send the message to our MTN number if it is instant transaction. So thank you very much for this tutorial, and I hope this has helped a lot.